Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to update your Windows PC without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here where you have your start menu. Right click on it and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to go to settings. And it's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to update and security, and you'll be taken right here. As you can see right here, I have an update that needs to be downloaded. What we need to do next is to simply hit on download right here. Just like so, as you can see right here, update has been started downloading. This can take as many as possible times to download. This depends on the number of megabytes file size. And also, this depends on your internet speed that will determine successful download of the update. And once the update has been successfully downloaded, you see this particular place here is going to turn green. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply download an update and update your Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.